I met a few people who had the procedure done. I think just knowing some people kind of helped me pull the trigger to say, oh, this is something I actually want to do myself. And then obviously the biggest stressor for me was having confidence that the person who I was getting it done with was going to do a good job. And you hear all these horror stories about like people having like this whole thing like, so for me, like working with Dr. Anderson, I work in medicine, I work with a lot of doctors, and his name kept coming up as an expert in hair. So that kind of convinced me that I had the confidence to get the procedure done. A doctor, somebody who I feel like I can get in contact with, somebody who's going to kind of hold my hand through the process. And again, yeah, someone who I just seems like a trustworthy person. I even like doctors, some doctors who have all the right training and went to the right institutions. If you show up in their office and you feel like they don't care about you or they're not going to be there for you when you need them, it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. So you need somebody who you could trust and who's going to be there to help you when you need it.